Hi everyone, and welcome to another video that's helping you keeping up to date with all of the latest and greatest NetApp Cloud has to offer. And today I have a special edition for you with BlueXP Backup supporting 10 new major features. So 10 new features coming this month. It's incredible, and I used ChatGPT to create the content, clone my voice, and share it with you. So tell me what you think in the comment below, and let's kick it off.
Let's begin with the ONTAP 9.12 1 GA release. This release is now production ready and loaded with new features and enhancements. If you'd like to learn more about this release, I strongly suggest checking out my previous video, which I'll link at the end of this one. This release also made many of the features I'll be discussing possible. Our next feature is the index catalog for DarkSites deployments. We received numerous requests from our multi-petabyte customers to add this feature, and we listened. The catalog is based on DuckDB, and each 500 million inodes will generate around 1.5 GB of the database files. Especially when you have longer retention and you're keeping your backups for a year or longer, being able to quickly search and find your data is critical. And now this feature is available for both on-premises and DarkSite deployments. With backup to StorageGrid and then tier to Cloud Archive, customers can now have shorter retention locally, which means no egress costs and faster restores. This solution is also great value for money, as most restores happen from the last month. The longer retention, which you usually won't use, will be managed by the cloud provider, and the entire process is seamless thanks to BlueXP Backup. You now make sure your data is located in the optimal place, and the data movement between on-premises and your data center is a non-issue. This feature completes the best backup for mission-critical workloads that require the high availability of NetApp Metro clusters. Customers can now protect MCC directly from the primary without using secondary storage first. We've added nested directories restores for EDA and HPC workloads. You can now restore nested directories as block over IP without any need for ACLs or a client to read the data and move the files to the destination on a file level. It will be a direct retrieval from ONTAP, without any client to mount, read, and copy the data to the destination, and no need for a service account. BlueXP Backup will manage it all, and ONTAP will just retrieve the data directly to the destination, including all ACLs, and regardless of how many files on nested directories you have inside. To optimize the allocation of Flex Group members, we have added the ability to select which aggregate to build the Flex Group on top of. This ensures that your performance tuning is optimized. Also, whether Cloud Volumes ONTAP is the source of your data, or you want to use it as a disaster recovery target or for running CI/CD pipelines, you can now restore Flex Group volumes to CVO. Data lock support for backup target of Azure Blob is now available with 9.12. 1 GA Plus, offering feature parity with AWS and StorageGrid as a target. This feature helps protect your data by locking backups and preventing unauthorized modifications. In case of an attack, backups can be automatically revert to their latest healthy state, providing an added layer of security as a last line of defense. A cyber bunker for your data. Now we have added customer managed keys, CMK support for Google, which allows you to manage your own encryption keys, adding another layer of security to your backups. Lastly, you can export your job monitor data for auditing and reporting. Cool.
Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you want to revise everything we released with ONTAP 9.12.1, you should definitely check out this video right here. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, have a good one. Peace.